Okay, are you ready? Let's go. Phone call or text when you are missing your friend?
I want to meet them. I want to hug them. No phone calls, no messages. Watching us. They should be from the Gen Z generation, and you have the terms of situationship and blah 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 blah.
I just remember one quote of Shah Rukh Khan. He's my friend. So once he said कि मुझे दोस्त बनाने नहीं आते. अगर मैं बनाती हूँ तो वो रहना नहीं चाहते, और अगर वो रहते हैं तो जिंदगी उन्हें रहने नहीं देते. I don't know. I just can relate it so much.
Hello and welcome to this special Friendship Day edition of our podcast. I am Priya Jha and you are watching Inspiria TV. On this Friendship Day, we are joined by someone who truly lived through stories and connection. We are joined by someone, she is not just a host, not just an anchor, but also the powerhouse behind Story with Shahana. Please welcome the incredibly talented Shahana Banu.
Thank you very much. Hello everyone. Hi.
Ma'am, how are you?
I am doing great, and thank you so much for inviting me.
Let's start from the beginning.
Absolutely.
I would love to know what inspired you to get into anchoring and hosting.
See, from my childhood, I was very talkative. Okay, and I truly believe that I didn't choose anchoring. Anchoring has chosen me for the stage and the audience, of course. I love to being noticed, to be under the spotlight every time. I love camera, and I guess that's why this is the best profession I can ever have in my life.
Okay. When you're on stage or in front of camera, you're not just talking, but you're connecting with people. So, do you think that anchoring give you a platform to inspire people?
Oh, most definitely. Yes, of course. Actually, anchoring is a profession when you have the mic, you have the power of words. And what can inspire you rather than words? Like words have the most influential thing. And I guess whenever I stand on stage with the mic, I feel that power to deliver the most important message for the society, for the audience, because and not just in anchoring. I believe it is for everybody and every profession. These days social media is very powerful. Everybody has that power to influence people because everybody is working in front of camera only. It can be a housewife, it can be a businessman, it can be a person who is doing 9-to-5 job, because everybody is doing content creation nowadays, right?
I agree.
So everybody has that power. Whoever is working in front of the camera, whoever is connecting with the people, they have that power to inspire people.
Okay, so as you talk about connecting with people, let's come into the main theme. What does friendship mean to you, especially in this fast media world?
Friendship. I guess with the generation, the definition of friendship has changed a lot. See, I'm not from a very old time, but yes, I born in the year 2001. Okay, and in our time, we don't have that much of use of social media. That time we used to connect with our friends in schools, in tuition batch, and we used to be very very excited whenever the time they came that we have to the end of school time, and that time we were too excited to go for college, and we have promised our friends that we'll be together forever, and we'll meet in college, we'll do this and we'll do that. But later on the time has changed a lot. This is Gen Z generation. I don't know.
This is media world, and
This is media world. Yes, most definitely. And I don't know. I feel that definition of friendship for them is very different. But if you ask me personally, what I feel for friendship, friends are the person whom we can share anything and everything with.
Definitely.
And one more important thing, I believe that parents or family we can't choose. We can't choose our parents and
Yeah.
family. They can choose us maybe, or God has that power. Our life partner we can't choose, because I guess I still believe that this is also destiny. But friends are the one and only creation of God. We can choose friends. So choose wisely and stay with them forever.
Definitely. What does do you think that professional friendship can be as strong as personal one?
There is nothing called professional and personal, I feel. It depends on the person. If
Okay.
the person is capable of keeping friendship in their personal life, they can keep the friendship in professional life too. But if they are not able to, keep friendship in their personal life, they won't be able to in their personal life also. So it depends on the person.
Depends on the person, right? Do you feel creativity flow better when you are with uplifting people, the people who cheer you up more?
Absolutely, most definitely. It depends on them only, I feel. Because if I am with the people with such negativity or something, they really don't want me to, grow, or they really don't want me to, reach that point where I really want to be. Absolutely. So that can't motivate me to work for my future. And if I am with the people who really loves me, who really cheers for me, who really wants to see me at that position, that really will motivate me.
Okay, that's great answer. Any advice for student who wants to get into anchoring or hosting?
Anchoring and hosting. Yes, I have an advice that is, I feel the most underrated profession is anchoring. I don't know why, but yes, I truly feel that, because if you can ask the girls and the boys of the generation, they want to be either, if they are very much into academics, they will choose doctor or engineer or something like that, teacher. And if they are from that entertainment industry, they will choose acting, singing, or something like that. I never have seen anyone to choose anchoring. Why can't you choose anchoring? Anchoring is such a great field. You can connect with people, you can interact with people, you can know how people behave, how the world is going around media. So please do come for anchoring and hosting. Most welcome.
Okay, so do you think that friendship teaches us something even if it's end?
Yes, not only friendship, I guess. Every single relationship gives you a life lesson. And if it is friendship, most definitely. Because the people of the world, individual, are very different. Their personality are very different. And whenever you are connecting with the people now, they will give you something you need for your future, or they will give you a lesson that will teach you how to keep a real one. So,
It
yes.
can be negative or
Positive too.
Yeah,
But you have to take it positive.
positively.
Yes.
Yeah, I agree. This friendship day, what message would you give to our listeners or to your friends?
See, I know whoever is watching us, they should be from this Gen Z generation, and you have the terms of situationship and blah 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 blah. But apart from that relationship, please keep faith in friendship. Friendships are the best relationships in the world.
Definitely, for sure.
Yes.
Okay, Sahana, now it's time for quick and fun round, which is rapid fire round. No overthinking, just the first thing that popped
The
into your
only
mind.
thing I can't do, I can't deny, because overthinking is a part of my life and a daily routine too.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go. Phone call or text when you are missing your friend?
I want to meet them, I want to hug them. No phone calls, no message. They can't keep me calm.
One word that defines friendship for you?
My friend, I guess we share our bond for almost 10 years. He's my childhood friend, and he's Ranjit.
Okay. Longest call you have ever had with someone?
With Ranjit, it can be for 8-9 hours long. I was crying and I was describing how I am feeling, and it is with Ranjit.
Plan in advance or last minute plan with your friends?
Always last minute plans. Plan in advance is the worst idea of go anywhere.
last but not the least, friend is comfort, chaos, or both.
Friend is everything. It can't be only comfort or chaos. It is everything. Like they will inspire you, they will demotivate you, they will they will be your parents too, they will be your everything.
Okay, I agree. And that brings us to the end of this special podcast.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us and sharing your thoughts.
Thank you so much for inviting me.
It was lovely talking to
It was really lovely. Thank you,
To
Priya.
all our listeners, keep cherishing your people, keep spreading love, and don't forget to celebrate the bonds that make life more beautiful. Happy Friendship Day from all of us at Inspiria.
Happy Friendship Day.